looking for a way to make a little more before Christmas knocks on your door? With Avon, there's still time to earn, and a Black Friday offer you'll want to learn. For just £1, yes £1, it's true. Become an Avon rep, we're waiting for you. You'll get 40 brochures, gift guides galore, a nude matte lipstick and so much more. Avon's calling, it's your time to shine. Start your business for just £1 this time. Spread the joy, share the cheer, build your future. The start is here. So how can you start earning, you say? It's super easy, here's the way. Step 1, join Avon, fill in your name. I'll get you started and into the game. Step 2, share your brochure online. Send your link and let Avon shine. They'll handle delivery, you just share. Sharing's easy, no stress, no care. Step 3, your kit's on its way. In 1 or 2 days you're ready to play. Hand out brochures to friends and fam. Boost your sales, be the Avon champ. Avon's calling, it's your time to shine. Start your business for just £1 this time. Spread the joy, share the cheer, build your future. The start is here. Why join now? Let me explain. Earn up to 32%, it's not in vain. Work from home on your own time. £1 to start, it's simply sublime. If it's not for you, that's okay. Keep the lipstick anyway. Well, you're still listening, why are you still here? The link's in the description, the deal is clear. This £1 offer won't last all year. It ends November 30th, 6 p.m. times drawing.